Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is a reminder clip for the beginner class at the Kenn Centre on the 28th of February 2023. We did an arm jive, a step across, a hatchback and a side to side. If you need teaching information for those, there are links to the teaching clips for those moves in the description below, and this is how everything went together. It went like this: 7 and 8 arm jive, offer, left, right, shoulder, turn, face, return, step across, underneath, switch hands for the hatchback, return, now the hatchback, we come in, spin, catching the left, return for the side to side, we come in and out of the lady's way, over the top and stop. And that was the whole thing. Hope you find that useful. We'll be back next time with another modern jive clip. Do like, subscribe and hit the bell if you're finding what we do useful. It helps promote the channel and it will mean you know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice to, comes up in the windows in the last few seconds of the video. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.